Hello, mathematicians, and welcome to your financial algebra portfolio project. Now, this portfolio is going to be a digital space where we store our collection of works from throughout the year, which will include your assignments, projects, and coursework. Let's get started. What is the portfolio? The portfolio is a comprehensive compilation of your reflections, projects, assignments, and anything else related to our financial algebra course. Its primary purpose is to help track your learning progress and show how you've demonstrated the ability to apply financial algebra concepts from throughout the course. All right, now let's take a look at this overview document together. So your portfolio will be the place where you house all your coursework. But in terms of the assessment, it's going to be assessed in four main categories, which include the introduction, personal engagement, which is any evidence of your efforts throughout the semester to engage with the coursework. So this can include class conversations, observations, classwork, and your written reflections. Then there will be a final reflection to be completed before you submit your final portfolio. There will also be a grade given for your overall presentation, which is how well you've organized your materials. So, some tips for success: stay organized. You will be given some class time to make sure that you maintain and regularly update your digital portfolio. We will also have some check ins one-on-one, as well as a peer review session mid year in order to get feedback to improve your work. Okay. And don't be afraid to be reflective and creative, to think outside the box, to add any other tidbits that you might have learned about financial algebra or financial mathematics outside the course to make your portfolio unique and tailored to you. Here are some important dates that you can keep in mind. Please note that these are subject to changes. Now, there is an assignment and projects list provided for you. So these are the main things that I must see in your portfolio. You may choose to add additional things in on top of what's listed here. So these are the ones that will be graded individually for your end of unit grades. Anything else you add in there will support your learning throughout the course. So each unit is broken down into 2 to 3 assessments that will be combined to give you one end of unit grade. These are the assignments and projects listed for each of our 5 units for semester 1. Please note again that these are subject to change. Now, how can we get started? Let's look at setting up the portfolio together. So, to get started, open up a new tab. Make sure you're logged into your school Gmail account. Click these 9 dots here on the upper right-hand corner. Select Google Drive. Go to My Drive, and then click New and create a new folder. Name it with your first and last name and call it Financial Algebra Portfolio. Click Create. Excellent. So now go into this file and make sure you modify the sharing permissions so that I have the ability to access and view your materials. So just go ahead and add my email here and make sure that I am an editor, that I have editing permissions. Okay, and then just click Send. Now, the first stage of setting up your portfolio is to create folders for every unit. We are going to have 5 units for the first semester, and we'll continue to add to it in second semester. Now, the next thing we're going to do is include the document for our bi-weekly reflections just in the overall folder. Let's look at how to do that next. Go into your Google Classroom, open up your Financial Algebra course section, and then under the heading Financial Algebra Digital Portfolio, open up the materials page that includes the Semester 1 Biweekly Reflections template. Now you're going to make a copy of this document by going into File, Make a Copy. Please make sure you rename it to your name. and then select the folder to put it in. So we are going to put it in the folder that we just created called the Financial Algebra Portfolio. Make sure your name is in the title, which makes it easy for me to access and look at your work throughout the year. And then just click select and make a copy. And there you have it. Your semester template is now in the correct folder and you are ready to get started. For information about the grading criteria, you can access that directly in the Financial Algebra Semester 1 Portfolio Project Overview. This will be graded out of 21 points.